Hi, I'm D from Daily Pinoy. This is my first time vlogging here at Daily Pinoy channel. For today's video, we will tackle about Cansi. We will visit one of the restaurant here in Bulacan that offers Cansi. We will interview Chef Jaime. How many servings of Cansi do they serve each day? And aside from it, what makes a legit Cansi? Are they putting some secret recipe or ingredient? So we will discover it later. By the way, I'm in Malolos. I'm gonna pick up my wife Jessie. So come and join us and let's check it out later. Guys, actually this was scheduled yesterday, but unfortunately because of heavy rain, we decided to reschedule it today.
In this part, the staff is already taking our order. He asked if we want to add bone marrow. We will just add 80 pesos. And we said yes. And while taking it, Dee asked him if we could interview him. He said someone might recognize him. Dee asked some questions like how many Cansi do they serve daily and what are their best sellers. They can serve up to 30 to 40 servings per day. And one of their best sellers is the Brazilian rib eye. You can choose different side dishes and doneness of the steak.
So the question is, what is Cansi? Cansi is a Filipino beef soup that originates from Iloilo and spread across the western Visayas region. It is made with beef shank and partnered with bone marrow, boiled until it's jelly-like texture. It is uniquely slightly sourced with fruits like batuan or bilindi. Cansi is usually cooked with jackfruit, lemongrass, tomatoes, garlic, onions, fish sauce, and siling haba or labuyo peppers. As you can see, the soup is usually orange in color due to the use of annatto seeds. Many have said that this Ilonggo delicacy is a fusion of bulalo and sinigang, similar to bulalo because of the use of beef shanks and bone marrows. Meanwhile, Cansi has the same sour and savory taste similar with sinigang.
Cansi with bone marrow.
While eating, we saw a batuan fruit. What is batuan? Batuan is a wild tree that grows up to 25 meters in the lowland forest of Southeast Asia. It has a sour taste but not acidic to the stomach like vinegar and calamansi. Batuan are mostly used as a souring agent in local food recipes like Cansi. As a matter of fact, they are close relative to mangosteen. So after eating, we invite the owner of the restaurant to ask for a quick interview.
Hi, I'm Chef Jaime Jr., graduated in a culinary school in Magsaysay and handling my own business as a chef here in Manong. So far, nakaka 7 months pa lang siya. Nag-start kami ng October, then hanggang ngayon tuloy-tuloy siya. Sa Manong Smith, ang bestseller namin dito is yung ating Brazilian ribeye tsaka ang ating Cansi Soup. So yun po yung dalawang bestseller natin. Sumunod po yung ating baked scallops and then flaming chicken.
So yung sa Cansi, kasi curious lang ako. Yung ginagawa niyo na Cansi, original ba siya? Kasi
yes.
legit na recipe.
Oo. authentic po talaga siya. At sa pampaasim lang, gumagamit po kami ng patuan. So yung patuan is native siya sa Visayas. So yun yung ginagamit ng pampaasim doon para sa sinigang nila. So sa atin, medyo naka-experience naman ako ng Cansi nila. So tinry ko, nagustuhan ko rin, favorite ko. Kaya dinala ko dito sa Manong Smith. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Iniimbitahan ko po kayo pumunta dito sa aming munting restaurant sa Manong Smith, Bypass Road, Santa Maria, Bulacan. So makita-kita po tayo dito. Maraming salamat.
So guys, we just got home. For now, we will review Manong Smith and Cansi. What can you say about Manong Smith? Overall experience.
The place is very nice and very neat. The staff are very accommodating and attentive. Plus, they have a spacious location.
That's what I want to say also. The ambience is very good also. So what about the Cansi?
The beef is very tender, and then the soup is very flavorful with a little bit of sourness and spiciness. Plus, the bone marrow. But be cautious of eating it. It is high in cholesterol.
Actually, she felt dizzy. So we immediately finish our eating and go back home. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet to our YouTube channel, Daily Pinoy, please subscribe. That would be a big help for us to make more videos, more reviews. Don't forget to like and click the notification bell for more updates. Thank you. See you on our next vlog.